All right, we are underneath the SUV and we have 16 of these 13mm bolts that we need to unscrew, so then we can drop this pan slowly and let this transmission fluid leak out, so then we can get to those shift solenoids. All right, here it is with the transmission oil pan removed, and those two solenoids there are the ones that are going to be getting replaced, and the filter as well is going to be getting replaced. So I did get the two clips off, the two harness clips. This one goes here, this one goes here. Now that I got them clips off, you got two little wire clips that are holding the solenoids into place with the needle nose plier. Just grip them and pull them down, and then you'll be able to get these solenoids out. Here's a filter. You pretty much just grab the filter firmly and pull down on it. And that's how this one's going to be going on. Same way, just center that this part to the hole it goes into and just kind of snap it into place. Okay, here it is with the new filter. Now we're going to go ahead and pop them solenoids into place and put this pan back on. Here are the two new solenoids and the new filter. Now let's go ahead and put this pan back. So before replacing this oil pan, you want to make sure and deep clean all this. You want to deep clean this magnet. It should come off. I mean, you can see it move there. You see? We're gonna remove the magnet, deep clean the pan, and put the magnet back exactly where it was. Okay, here is the transmission oil pan already put on and torqued down to specs. You do want to torque this down. I believe it's anywhere from 9 to 10 foot-pounds. We did have a little bit of an issue with the transmission filter. We went ahead and got the correct one. It's on there now. We're just going to go ahead and fill it up with 5 quarts of automatic transmission fluid and give it a test run.